It's incredible, guys. Incredible place here. And Mount Sodom, guys. Enjoy this amazing. That's wonderful and lovely and beautiful. That's amazing place here in Israel. Mount Sodom, the mountain of salt. It's really incredible and fascinating. You can see there, and the top, the Lot's wife become pillar of salt over there, guys.